Hey everybody, Mark here with another English video where today we're going to talk about ability and possibility. Now you guys have learned this before. We teach it in our elementary lessons, the word can and the word can't. This, I know you guys can do it, so let's get going. So, can, can't. Any skill you have. You can look in this picture. You see this man? What can we see? Oh, I see tennis. Can you play tennis? Can you cook? Can you play the guitar? Any of those are different skills. Different skills, different abilities, and we always can use can or can't to talk about our skills and abilities. For me, I can speak Japanese. I lived in I lived in Japan for about 2 years, so I can speak a little Japanese. 私は Mark です。どうぞよろしくお願いします。Singaporeに住んでいます。I live in Singapore now. That's Japanese. I can speak some Japanese. I can speak Japanese, I can't speak Japanese very well, but I can speak Japanese. I can also swim. I was on my swim team when I was in high school, so I can swim quite well. I can swim quite fast. I can play the trombone. The trombone is an instrument we often have in jazz bands. So I can play the trombone fairly well. I might have forgotten some of my I might have lost some of my trombone skills recently, but I can play the trombone quite well. I can't, this is a skill I don't have. I can't dance very well. If you watch the video Matt and I did called Coincidence, maybe I'll link it above, we can't dance and we know we cannot dance well. I can't juggle. Teacher Matt can juggle. I can't juggle. I can't do this. I also can't speak Chinese. 我是美国人. My wife says my Chinese sounds terrible. So you can tell me, Mark, don't speak Chinese. You can't speak Chinese. So I can't speak Chinese. We also, yes, so not only skills, not only language and instrument, we can also use can and can't to talk about possibilities. What is possible for us? For example, I can swim every day. I already told you I can swim, right? I can swim. But the special thing about Singapore is that I can swim every day. Every day. I can swim every day of the year. Pretty cool, right? Because Singapore is a warm country, I can swim every day. I couldn't swim every day when I lived in America. In America, the winter's very, very cold. So I couldn't swim every day in America, but I can swim every day in Singapore. Also, I can take the MRT to work. I couldn't take the MRT to work when I lived in America because we only had a bus or I had to drive a car. But now I can take the MRT to work. I also can see Marina Bay from our school. From our language school, I can see Marina Bay. So that's a cool perk. I'm able to see Marina Bay from our window at school. Oh yeah, Singapore has a special rule where you can't buy alcohol after 10:30 p.m. So I can't buy alcohol after 10:30. That's a Singapore rule. So it's not possible for me. I also can't go hunting. My uncle in America, he loves hunting. My cousins in America, they love hunting. But in Singapore, I cannot go hunting. It's not okay. It's illegal in Singapore. I can't go hunting. The other word we'll learn today, guys, is be able to. We often use this especially for more polite English. So if I say I'm able to swim, I'm able to ride a bike, those ones are for skills. These ones, be able to, you could say I'm able to ride a bike, I'm able to swim, but be able to often we use in a more polite setting. For example, if I go here, are you able to make it to Thursday's meeting? Are you able to make it to Thursday's meeting? I say, are you able to? Are you able to? Are you able to make it to Thursday's meeting? I'm being polite here because it's in a business situation. I'm asking my colleague, are you able to make it? Right? If I want to be a little more polite. Or here, are you able to help me on Tuesday? No, I'll be able to help you on Thursday, but I can't help you on Tuesday. Right? Can't is also okay, but we'll sometimes use the be able to. Special rule, guys, be careful. If you see will, should, and might, those are called modal verbs. We do not use can with a modal verb like this. I will be able to is okay. I will can is not okay. I should can, not okay. I should be able to is all right. Let's see. Oh yeah, I won't be able to make it to the meeting. Oh, sorry guys, I won't be able to make it to the meeting on Thursday. See, I won't, won't. We have to use be able to. Or, I should be able to come on Wednesday. Oh yeah, I should be able to come on Wednesday. I should, we have to use be able to. I might be able to. Oh yeah, I might be able to help. I might, we have to use be able to. So those words, might, could, should, yeah, it's for all of those, might, could, should, will, won't, you have to use be able to. Can't is not okay. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this short lesson helped you out with your can, can't, and be able to. As usual, I would love to hear from you on Twitter. If you go to Teacher Mark ULC, message me there. I'll be happy to respond, correct your English. Of course, you can also comment below. You can also comment on our videos or message us about our videos. We'd be happy to clarify, give you more examples, or answer any questions you have that were confusing about this grammar. And lastly, my homework for you is think about how can you make your friend smile? How can you make your friend smile this week? Can you give them a present? Can you do a favor for them? How can you make your friend smile this week? But other than that, that's all. I'll catch you in the next video.